Hey, Spook.
What?
What's the most valuable VW bus?
We'll cover that in the video today.
Hey there. A little chilly in here.
Yeah, it's about 57 now. So one of our HVACs froze up over the weekend. Yay, cold weather. Hands are frozen.
Yeah. Are you working in water also?
No, I'm working with lacquer thinner, which is even worse. Just doing the primary clean on the Riley 68 Ghia so I can, hopefully if it warms up enough by the end of the week, go ahead and shoot it because I can't even get seam sealer out now. It's too cold.
Cold.
So if you guys surviving the winter snap, then right on. Hopefully you're binging on us on YouTube. We did announce the winners.
Yeah. That's cool. They've all been in touch.
And they've all been in touch, and we will be sending it out probably end of the week. So
Great.
Winners, look for your packages.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, sorry for the low energy, but it's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold.
All right.
So I'm just like doing this little stuff. So you'll see like,
Yeah.
I don't know, like right there, I've got a scratch there that's deep that I can feel. So I've got to go back in and do a little bit of filler. I've got the pinholes up in here.
Okay.
So while I'm cleaning, what happens is the surface gets wet from the lacquer thinner before it evaporates and gives me a reflection. So then I can see holes and stuff.
All right. That's cool.
Good Lord.
Let's go where it's a little warmer.
Well, there's a heater over here.
Yeah, I saw that.
There we go.
All right. There we go.
Spook
actually,
does not
that's-
handle cold.
No. All right, so we're actually, that's good timing and a good placement because I got a question for you. What is the most valuable Volkswagen bus?
21 window rag. Usually it's going to be an early one or a 67.
What about the 23?
I'm sorry, 23.
Yeah.
21's a little bit more common.
Okay.
So
23. Have we seen one?
I've seen them, but we've never had one in here. So what
Jesse's
that is?
girl. What was Jesse's girl?
That was a 21.
21.
So what it
All
is
right.
those rear. That should be A, B, C, D, E, F pillar.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Wow.
rear F pillar actually has a piece of curved glass.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, my
nice.
word.
Man, that's a lot of windows.
Yeah, they go for, I don't know, anywhere from 200 to 300,000.
Wow.
So
Restored.
Restored, yeah.
Okay. Is that Barrett Jackson prices?
Not really. That's actually Samba prices, which means take about 10% off of that.
Yeah.
So that's usually what the ratio is there.
All right.
I've got in front of the heater, so.
All right.
Darren,
What else is going on? Darren, are you frozen or you all right?
We were actually shut down yesterday.
Yeah. Well, the streets
We
were.
were almost shut down today, too.
I know. Yeah, no kidding. Did we bring the other space heater out? We got another
It was
one.
like
It's already out.
It's out here.
Yeah.
12 degrees in here when we got here. When you see your breath in the shop, it's not cool.
No, that's not good. That's
Oh,
not
it is
good.
very cool, but not cool.
Yeah, very cool.
It's cold, not cool.
Mr. Miller's bug, we're doing, it's a super, we're doing interior, so I'm cleaning up the back. I got to start and put the headliner in. I got a pad up there, and I'm fixing to put the headliner in, and then it's going to be a little difficult doing it when it's cold, though.
Yeah, you can't glue anything, right? Wouldn't that?
Can't really stretch anything.
Can't
I
stretch
can't
or
stretch it
glue.
real good, so I don't know. We're going to see. I can put the side pillar pieces on, couple other things. But yeah, it makes it hard to do it when it's cold.
It does. You can't feel your hands.
Yeah.
The upholstery. So in the upholstery shop here, I have some of that stuff going on in here. I have the seats. We got painted up. Can't paint seats anymore.
No.
Very limited.
Yeah.
So I got the headliner here, and
this is not a
I got
normal
seats
Alabama
going on.
problem.
Yeah, it's all. I don't know. Last week I forgot that on the 914.6 seat projects. I don't know if I show the finished one, but this is one that's done.
There we go.
That's
We got
what it did
before
look
and
like.
after right there.
Yeah, so a little bit more padding and stuff like that. So we're doing that for
Fantastic.
a customer the car's been gone for a little while actually,
Yeah.
but it's we're doing the seats still. So this stuff's all going on Mr. Miller's car.
Great.
And then what else is going on? We got back on Mr. Fonseca's rail.
Okay.
We're actually having to build the front end, by scratch. So
Yeah.
the rails
right.
are kind of like
Because the
front
rabbit
end of
thing
that
is
had a
gone.
rabbit
Mm.
rack and pinion steering.
Yeah.
It was off an old rabbit, and those are kind of hard to find. So it's offset a little bit. So we're having to make our own. So we got a stock rack
Okay.
for a rack and pinion, and we're having to make these bars with pitman arms and the whole bit. So we're going through that for the rail, which is out there, and we'll go look at it on the way out.
Sure.
And we got the front wheels on it now, so that's
All right.
good.
That's
I don't know, were they on last week? I don't remember. I don't think they were.
I don't think they were.
Yeah, so we can go out there and look at the rail, and it's got
I ain't going out there. It's cold.
yeah.
Oh.
Is Josh here?
No.
No.
I think he's having problems with his car.
I would imagine.
His car does not have a heater at all because the heater core went out in the Jeep. So yeah, so
No.
it was already bad enough to you can't defrost or anything. So
No.
I don't know
It's like that.
what's going on with that.
Yeah.
really.
Oh, it's bad out here.
Yeah, so the rail, which is there, she is on all her wheels now. Finally, I don't think
Oh,
we've
yeah.
seen that before.
All right.
So, but yeah, the rack up here. This is the rack, which we haven't just placed in with a deal. So this is the center rack. So the steering, we have to figure a way to offset the steering column itself, which
Okay.
we've got that worked out. But to go from that rack to your
Sure.
wheels is a little difficult because we have
yeah.
to come here. But we'll work that all out now. We made them. We're gonna put that on there. And we got a custom front end, and everything else is custom on it. So
Awesome.
this should be getting finished up here
Great.
this week
it
or
seems
next week.
miserable
Probably.
even contemplating
Oh,
driving
yeah.
that right now.
Crazy out here. So, but we haven't done a whole lot on this yet. The Herbie
Got the
Beetle came
AC
in.
fluid drain.
I took and had it, evacuated.
So what'd you
but
think of driving it?
That little car's a nice little car. I like it. It's different. It's
Yeah.
not your average Beetle
No.
by any
How about the
means.
shifting? It looked a little tight.
The shifting is a little tight. It's got a hydraulic spring-loaded shifter, so it's a racing shifter. So
Yeah.
it's not. You cannot put that car in reverse by accident.
No.
It literally takes two hands to compress it over to get it into reverse, which is good because you wouldn't want to be
No, that would not be a
cruising
good
down
thing.
the street at who knows what and put it
Right.
in reverse by accident. So
Oh, come back in where it's warm, dude.
Get out of there.
That's crazy. Man, all right. So that's good.
And then Mr. Cabral, the boss over there, I know we keep
Yeah.
talking about it, but there's a couple little things that are giving us fits, but it's near the ending. It has a camping stove in it. and
Okay.
It was all crusted and corroded.
Yeah.
So they don't make that anymore, so we're having to find burners to actually rebuild the one that was in there. We rebuilt the sink, and so we're that's holding us up a little bit there, but there's very few little punch list things on this, and hopefully we can get it on.
That'll be nice. It'll give us a lot of room, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's been ghosting around here since I've been
Yeah.
here, one place or
Me
another.
too.
Yeah. So it's been here since everybody's been here. Yeah. Yeah, it's
Alright.
just big. It'd be good.
Yeah.
It'd be good to get rid of that one and the little super
Yeah,
convertible
that's
right
right.
there. It's been sitting back.
That's
there.
true. It's been a while.
Over a year.
He should be getting
Wow.
close to because
All right.
No. He said
It's getting
slowing
there.
up now.
Now, how about range? Anything?
Well, Shannon broke apart.
Oh, no.
There you go.
That happens.
Oh yeah, it happens.
It does.
Yeah.
I don't know if we
Yeah,
talked about the steering
you know,
on
having
range.
to
We could
rework
talk
it.
about
No,
that.
we haven't.
So what's happening on range? Obviously, it's a cyborg.
Yeah.
So it's a different pan than the body, and there's all kinds of customized stuff going on, obviously. So, but what we had to do was figure out a way. The original steering shaft on a 52 is a straight shaft that goes all the way through the firewall. Well, we couldn't do that with the new front ends. It's offset. So
Yeah.
This is what the manufacturer suggests.
yeah, so this short shaft which comes through the firewall.
Yeah.
And the shaft I'm about to show you come out of a 72 Super Beetle.
Wow.
And so that is the setup we decided to go with, and it will give us the exact length and work perfect and all that.
This is the epitome of custom.
Yeah, so that is. So what happens? This is your original steering shaft, comes out of the original.
Yeah.
And that's how it's just a straight shaft goes
Yep.
from the steering box to there. So this is the shaft out of the 72 Super.
Wow.
Now the problem is this is the splines that were on the original 72 Super, and we can't use those because those are the splines we needed. So we had to cut the end off
Okay.
the stock one we needed, and the end off the Super Beetle one, and make our own shaft,
Okay.
which is what we did.
All
So.
right.
And that sounds easy and everything, but you have to make it perfectly straight.
I was going to say, it
because you
sounds
don't wanna
way
be
easier than
steering
it
and have to
is.
do that. So that part's done.
Yeah.
We had to send out, we already had the original steering column, everything, powder coated and everything,
Yeah.
but so we had to send this out, which is off the Super, and
Okay.
have it powder coated.
Right, all right.
And it takes all kinds of fancy little interior
Wow.
bearings and stuff because
For the
your
sleeve,
shaft
yeah.
rides inside there.
Right.
And it has an inner and outer bearing. So we've got that being rebuilt, and we'll put her in the car, and this straps up in there, and you'll never see the workings of that, and there
That's
she goes.
amazing.
So anyways, yeah, that's called customizing the,
Yeah.
the out of it.
Yes.
Bleep.
The bleep.
Yeah, the bleep.
I still think we have to have a t-shirt design with his.
Oh, yeah.
Just a cartoon faces. We customize it.
Yeah.
So I guess really to say the stage that we're on at range is that we're at that point where there's all the little things that are having to be tweaked. Because for instance, the interior, what's holding me up on the interior is I'm having to make the rag top.
Right.
So and I can't. I was going to go ahead and throw the headliner in there the other day because we have the headliner stuff here. But the problem is there's a piece right here for the rag top that mounts from the inside. Well, I can't do that if the headliner's already in. So now I'm waiting on the headliner because we have to do that. And I can't do that till I get the rag top piece, which I have to order to make the rag top.
Yeah.
So,
it's a good
anyways,
thing that you
it's a-
figured
it's-
out like the order of things.
It's a nickel holding up $1 is what
Yeah,
it is.
exactly.
So, literally.
Yeah,
So,
really.
But anyways, he's
All right, it's coming along.
he's coming along. He's coming along. I mean,
It's got a lot of fans
We ordered
online.
the front glass, what, 2 months ago?
Is it here?
No.
Oh.
No, we're still waiting on front glass.
So it's just like, COVID, thank you.
Yay.
Yeah.
All right, how about you, Shannon? What are you working on?
Working on getting the axle ready for Mr. Bissell's bus.
Oh, okay.
What we got here, we got one I'm still working on putting together, and then here's one that's already finished. What we've done is we've cleaned it all up. We've rebooted them because the old boots were torn. Re-greasing the joints, just pretty much revamping them, getting them ready to be able to drive. Mr. Bissell's bus is back in the cooler
In the
back
cold,
there.
we're not going to go look at that, guys.
No,
it's too cold.
but
Yes.
we do have the motor and trans hanging in it now. The exhaust is on it. Fixing to get the wheels back on it so we can move it around a little bit.
Okay.
And hopefully here before long we might be able to fire the engine off and get him, start getting him on the fast track.
Fantastic. I know he's going to love it.
Oh yes, definitely. I believe he is. And then, like I said the other day, when we're done with it, he is taking it out to California for him and his son to finish up interior work.
Well, that'll be great.
Mhm.
Okay.
All
Well,
right.
that sounds good. Guys, stay warm. This is This is a surprise. Bye, nice people.